just a little POV, you feel me? I just picked up my man's whip and shit. I'm not really gonna do too much at we got the Q50 for like about a few hours and whatnot. Like that's a 2015, I think, Q50 and whatnot. You feel me and whatnot. I might put some gas in it, motherfucker. Just in case I do speed, I might throw him a little bit of cheese, but yeah, we just got this car real quick on some shit. Not nothing too crazy. We out, I'm out the county right now. I'm in Newtown, for real, for the ones who know Baltimore and shit like that. The fuck? This car's supposed to yield, you dumbass. What you doing? Now I'm ready to be on your fucking bumper. I'm supposed to go this way? I don't think I'm supposed to go this way. This car lucky and shit got speed bumps, but yeah, y'all let me know if y'all can see me in the Q50. Like, can y'all see me in the Q50 for real? Y'all see me? I don't know how I feel about the what's it called, the steer by wire steering wheel shit, but yeah, y'all let me know if y'all can see me in the 50 for real. Like how do I look in the 50? Even though I'm not gonna lie, I'm done with Infiniti though. Like my next car is not gonna be another Infiniti. I'm done with that shit, no cap. Yeah, though, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I might do one pull in sport mode just to see how she really drive for me, the Backroads and shit. Got the little Ravens park and shit like that. Northwest Regional, whatever that shit. But I might do a pull just to see how she really ride for real. You feel what I'm telling you and shit like that. Y'all see that motherfucking Ravens facility right there? You feel me? We about to go to the bowl this year, you hear me? Lamar Jack not playing. We got Jair Alexander. Yeah. We not playing no games, man. At all. But yeah, let me put it in sport mode one cool time and shit. And see what she did. Since this is a straightaway. And I love how the little sport mode button right there. That shit hard. Sport mode, as y'all can see. Might as well slap it in gear. I'm gonna do it when we go to a straightaway. So this car got 2 sport modes, y'all. Like y'all let me know for the Q50 feeds. It's in sport. Y'all see it's in sport, right? And then if I slap it over, like it's in sport again. So is this like a transmission sport type of thing? Because as soon as I slap it over in sport, I can feel a difference in the transmission. When I put it in that sport mode, I don't know if I can really feel a difference with the throttle response and shit like that. But the steering wheel do get tight, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, y'all let me know if Q50's got 2 sport modes. Because if they do, that's kind of hard. I ain't never like think about that. The owner of this car probably don't even realize he got 2. For real. He probably don't even realize he got 2 sports mode. But man, this shit clean. He got the M-style mirror caps. He about to do a lot to this car. He got the RGB emblem coming in. He got the RGB side mirror sequential shits coming in. What else he got? Ambient lighting ready to get installed tonight. We already painted his rims black. Y'all go let me know if y'all want your rims painted black. I'll show y'all when I get out the car and shit. But shit, he trying to step up a little bit. He trying to step up. He trying to make his shit look hot. This shit look pretty for real. No cap. I should have pulled over and got a little quick thumbnail, but it's all good. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, he doing his thing with this one. I ain't gonna lie. He just got it like probably almost 2 months ago, probably like 6 weeks or something. Y'all probably won't hear me stop talking so I can record this car. So let me go ahead. Third gear. Okay, shorty. He do need some more sound to this shit. That shit not cutting it. You need a muffler delete immediately. And his transmission shifts faster than mine. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I have a feeling that my tranny is slowly going. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to say it, but we knock on some wood. I got a feeling that my tranny's slowly going. Cause the way his shit just downshifted hella quick. Mine don't downshift like that. It'll take a little minute for that bitch to downshift. After I get to this stop sign, I'm gonna do a smooth 20 roll. Just a smooth 20 roll. Don't want to burn too much gas. Don't want to burn too much. I like how responsive his transmission is, though. But as soon as my training go, I'm getting that VR. Is that an M5? Oh my gosh, that's an M5. Sheesh. And he just hit it. He probably seen me recording. Let me do a smooth little 20 roll. Actually, I'm ready to do a dig. Ain't no cars coming. Let me put on my hats and do a quick little dig. Because he don't know how I drive his car for real, so I'm going to show him this video. Okay. Smooth shit. Put my ass right back in eco mode. Smooth shit. That was cool though. That was definitely some cool shit. I definitely felt that wire by steering transmission though. That shit felt weird as shit. But yeah, that was definitely some cool. Wasn't too bad, but I just like the interior. That shit hard. I fuck with it. Like the 2 screens, the gauge is very, very similar to mine. Just a bigger screen in the middle and shit like that. More options. I mean, I got that digital dash now that y'all didn't see that video. So yeah, the screen not really better than this screen. Not better than mine, but this one is for sure. Fuck with how you can do whatever y'all want to do in here. Like I got it on the performance meter. That's the first thing I did as soon as I hopped in here. Put it in the performance meter, even though that shit really don't even show you shit for real, but then fuel flow, G-force, and acceleration. But yeah, okay. This is just a little quick video, not nothing crazy. Just hopping in the Q50 since y'all be talking about, oh, this nigga always in a different web, yeah. We be having cars around here. My man's just be. We be having cool. That's the Federales. But yeah, a lot of my boys, we just be having shit for real. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of my boys just be having shit. I don't care. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend. And yeah, hit that bell down below, because we out. Peace.
Thank you. Come again.